but stop buying your albums from the supermarket. We only sell things that have charted, and our boot, well, we've only just started. And yes, this is my singing voice. It's not irony, and it's not rock and roll. We're just talking to the kids. From the band, we from the band. Look at us, we from the band. From the band, we from the band.